2 words, 5 points. Everything is here. This can be your lifestyle. 2 of my personal favorites, Hay Barton Café, legendary meals and iconic desserts. Nofo, right down the street, amazing. We have everything here, and this is literally walking distance from your new townhome. Welcome to my newest listing, this amazing 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome in the heart of 5 Points, in the heart of everything. You are gonna love this home. Come take a look. So the first thing you'll notice is this bright open foyer. Great area to drop off your sunglasses, your keys. 2 side lights on each side of the door lets in lots of natural light. You flow into this nice open kitchen. Granite countertops, white cabinets, real wood, white subway tile. This nice open pass-through to the family room. You can pass drinks, do what you need to do. We even have a great eat-in kitchen area. 2 giant windows overlooking the front porch let in tons of natural light. Pantry, perfect kitchen, great for entertaining. Welcome to the spacious family room. In here you'll notice 9-foot ceilings, hardwoods throughout the entire first floor, this wall of windows and French door let in tons of natural light, a real old school wood burning fireplace with this awesome brick mantle, love that. Just the perfect place for entertaining, right? This is a big room. And one of my favorite features of this entire home is this. Pocket office, Harry Potter closet, Zen room, whatever you want it to be. With a perfect spot for doing some work, laptop, phone calls, being calm. I don't know, I love this. So what's also nice is your step down to your own private patio area and this huge open backyard. As you make your way upstairs, you'll notice this great guest bedroom, real hardwood floors, 2 big windows, lets in tons of natural light, and it has its own ensuite full bathroom right here that's been totally updated. Welcome to the spacious primary bedroom. Well, for starters, there's a king-size bed in here. There's plenty of room for big nightstands, dresser, real hardwood floors in here. We've got these great windows that let in tons of natural light, great view of the backyard, walk-in closet with real wood shelving. I love that. But the best feature is this primary ensuite bathroom. It is like a spa in here. New vanity, it's got the wood tones mixed with marble. This shower is killer. Oh my God, look at that tile. Huge niche for all your products. Tile floor, floating shelves. I love the black, the marble, and the wood. I mean, this is spot on. There's even an attic for more additional storage. How cool is that? You never find that in townhomes. Truly, this is a one-of-a-kind opportunity. It's one of 3 townhomes, again, in the heart of 5 Points, walking distance to everything, real hardwood floors, you have a real wood-burning fireplace, it's open, it's light, it's updated kitchen, updated primary bathroom, updated guest bathroom. This is a fantastic unit. While this townhome feels like single-family living, it's absolutely no maintenance. The best of all worlds. Who doesn't love that?